The future of work: how RPA is shaping the workforce. We will explore how RPA is shaping the workforce and revolutionizing the way businesses operate in the modern era. The impact of RPA on workforce management. Robotic process automation is changing the way businesses manage their workforce by automating repetitive tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. How RPA is transforming business processes. RPA is revolutionizing the way companies conduct their business processes by replacing manual tasks with automated software bots. This automation not only accelerates the speed of completing tasks but also minimizes errors and reduces operational costs. The role of RPA in driving innovation. By automating repetitive tasks, RPA empowers employees to focus on strategic initiatives that drive business growth and foster innovation. Adapting to changing technologies with RPA. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, businesses must adapt to keep up with the latest trends and innovations. RPA provides companies with the flexibility and scalability they need to adapt to changing technologies quickly and effectively. The future of workforce strategy with RPA. Companies are rethinking their work processes and leveraging RPA to optimize workforce resources, drive efficiency, and enhance overall performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of work is being shaped by robotics process automation in more ways than one.